guys, we're going to a car show today, and we run up on this first thing, Hellcat with a really cool wrap. That thing looks so nice, honestly. I hope he'll pass us again, but I doubt it, because he doesn't want to get a speeding ticket, and neither do we. On our way to it, so yeah, guys, we're heading to a car show, and yeah, I'm still a little tired because I woke up 2 hours ago. So yeah, guys, see you guys there. So unfortunately, guys, you just missed a GTRs, and there's a Porsche. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I'm freaking out a little bit. Yeah, I don't know where this car show's at, but my dad does. So yay! I can't believe we just saw an R35 and an R32. I didn't get it on camera. Oh, there's a Evo back there. I don't know where that came from, but I knew we were getting close because I saw a Super, guys, and a 911 GT3 RS. So, let's go. It's only from 8 to 11, so it's 9:22 right now, currently. So, yeah, we should be here second. I'm trying to keep this recording because I don't want no exotic car to go by, and we're here. Wow. Oh. Oh wow. 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 Whoa. Okay, guys. Ready to see some supercars? This is a lot of cars. Okay. Oh, the stands. Okay, guys, this is bigger than I expected. Oh my gosh. Time to find the parking spot. Oh. I'm excited. Z01? Oh. I know. This is awesome. Oh, the Nismos.
Yeah, we can get this one right here.
Okay, guys. Guys, what car do you guys want to see while we're here? Let us know in the comments down below. Oh wait, you can't because YouTube won't show minors' faces and let them know. Evo!
That's a Cobra.
Evo, Evo, Evo.
I know you don't care about that, but
Yeah. Hey. We're gonna hear maybe some pulls. Maybe. Oh, that Mustang's pretty nice. Alright, guys, we're gonna stop this part here, and once we get out, we'll start recording again. Just hope that there's not too much wind. It's a beautiful day for a car show.
you want to start over here?
Yeah. Also, oh, is that? There's a Hellcat coming in. Blue down there. Nice Shelby. Man. JDM boys.
These were the first factory supercars.
Hellcat. Oh, GT350? There's no Corvettes. There's a G35 taking off. Oh, Slam Shelby. Oh, nice fitment, Super V. Oh, look at that Mustang. Dang. This place is crazy. The neon green Corvette. Hemi wide body. This thing is crazy. There's more cars way down there too, so. I haven't seen a 500. Right? Look, guys. Here's the JDM. There's some nice cars, guys. They're 350.
Why is the Jeep there?
Because it's a trail. I mean, track hawk. SRT. Here we go.
Yeah, JDM car. Yeah. That's electric to buy it.
Yes, sir. Porsche. Older one, too. Nice. Won't see many of these on the road anymore. Civic. C8 Corvette in blue.
Look at the license plate.
Okay, bye-bye. That's good. Oh, I bet you the hoverboard would have been nice here. But look at that. It's the Nismo.
Jake.
I know. C8, brothers. Oh, it has a wing. Big wing gang. Here's the heart I love. Stands. Look at that, guys. Oh, so low to the ground. Damn. These look so clean. Big wine gang. Ooh. I'm really enjoying this too much. The C8. Most expensive car we've seen? Yeah.
71 Road Runner.
Wow, is that a Supra? Is that a freaking Supra?
Did you notice it?
What?
Look at that front end. 71 Road Runner. The
Ooh.
blue.
Yeah, the Roadrunner.
383 big long.
Oh, 180 SX. No, 240 SX. Got it. Do not hate in the comments for me not knowing my cars.
Gary, the front end of this car looks like mine.
Dang. There's a freaking Supra out there. I don't know if you can see, it's yellow.
Hey, show you something. Look at the difference. This is a Mustang. Look how low and wide that Road
Yeah.
Runner was.
I would take this stuff. I'm an older Mustang boy. All I can hear is just cars taking off in the back over there.
Okay.
Yeet.
Look at the shifter. That's a harsh pistol grip shifter. See the shifter?
Mm-hmm. It's nice. And I feel like a complete idiot. There's a Skyline over here. There's a freaking Skyline. I think that's a Skyline. Supra. Bruh, here's a white Supra. I completely missed that. Here's the real JDM boys. Skyline. There we go. Here we freaking go. 32 or 33?
Yeah, right. One to the left one already has it.
Evo.
Look at that. Even stuff's around.
Nice wings. Here we go.
Hellcat Red Eye. 797 horse.
797 horsepower Hellcat coming. Oh, Hellcat, brother. This is crazy. There's freaking Supra over there. Well, technically these aren't Supra, these are BMWs. Changed my mind. Speak of a red eye, Oh no. The crowd stoppers. Oh, we got Mustangs. We got Black Lloyds coming over. White and purple, my favorite colors. Yes. Beautiful. 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 Even got the anime on it. Yes, sir. Oh. It's beautiful. There's gonna be some splitters gonna be getting crushed today. Oh. Nice Jeep. 100%. Oh, there's that red eye. There's the red eye. GTA Golf. That catches my eye, not like the Hellcat or nothing. I know you guys, I have my hand over there. I don't know how good it sounded earlier, but wow. Just wow. Nice. Not Hellcats. Stance G35. Acura. Oh, Evo gang. Big Wang Yang over here for real. Woohoo!
Yeah, I'll get your picture by the wing. Look at that.
Lamborghini Hurricane Prepamonte. Let's go, guys. We saw Prepamonte. I don't know if you saw it. It was over there.
Let's go back.
We need to head there because that's where they're taking off. There, we need to head over there. That's where they're taking off.
We'll go ahead. You can go to that part. That's terrible for that engine.
It's called car life. Enjoy it, Dad.
It's okay if you're pulling the load, but when you're not pulling the load and bumping it up on red
Supreme
line,
respect, brother. C8, bro. There's some clean cars. Honestly. But the best car of all, the Tesla. Well, hey, honestly, I bet you a bunch of cars here. Could probably. I can't believe we missed the Prepamonte.
You saw it.
I mean, we saw it, but I want to get a little closer up. All the cars are taking off over there, so we're going to head over there and go take a few sneak peeks. Maserati. I can't believe I saw Prepamonte there.
Listen to that.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh. That's nice.
Look at that Cobra. It says I'll whine on the back. Supercharger.
I whine, yeah. It's true, because of the super.
They're very loud, like the
There's the 500. I knew there was going to be one here. There's some pulls going on down there.
There goes some Dodges out.
Ooh, let the Dodges out. Monster! Hey, you got some paws.
That's the body style of that silver.
Oh, Ferrari coming out. Ferrari
Coming in here.
coming in here.
Yeah.
Oh crap! Here we go, brother. 500 too. Yeah, any supercar stop show here. Oh! Oh! No way! Is that our 35 GTR? Let's see it. Let's see it. Wait, where did the Ferrari go? Nani?
They're almost like straight up.
GTR. The Ferrari just disappeared.
Well, my retarded ass kept walking.
Dang. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut the camera here, and then once we get up there, we'll record again.